gear is very important part of the airplane, and now let's have a look how we exchange the tires on the main landing gear of the Boeing 737. So initially the airplane has to be lifted just as with your car, and then as soon as it's lifted enough to remove the wheel, then the engineer starts doing so. The engineers are used to do things by themselves, so they use all sorts of tools to help them out. Just like this. Now you can see that we are using the carbon brakes. As soon as the wheel is ready, the whole process of securing it back on can start. Now we have to just inflate it. All good? Let's go.